Hi, my name is John Lloyd. This is my presentation, The Scoop. This study examined the effect of TikTok short forms ads on the purchase intent of Filipino Gen Z consumers. It is limited to TikTok user in the Philippines belong to Gen Z born 1997-2012. And it focuses only on short forms video advertisement 60 seconds or less. The research will analyze and features such as entertainment, informativeness, and credibility, and how this influence consumer purchase intent. Data will be gathered through an online survey on selected Gen Z TikTok user. The study does not include other age group, social media platforms, or actual purchasing behavior. This study focuses on how TikTok short forms ads influence the buying intention of Filipino Gen Z consumer. It examines features such as entertainment, informativeness, and credibility to see how they affect whether Gen Z user develop an interest in purchasing. The research is limited to the TikTok user in the Philippines age 13 to 28 and does not cover other platform age group or actual purchasing only purchase intent.
How TikTok short form ad features entertainment, informatives, credibility, and exposure affect the purchase intent of Filipino Gen Z consumers. It also investigates whether demographics such as gender, income, and location or brand familiarity strengthen or weaken this relationship. In short, it explores if ad qualities drive Gen Z extend by how two different factors influence this effect.
Individual viable TikTok short ads features such as entertainment, information, and credibility and exposure are such expected influence on consumers' behavior. Independent variables are purchase intent, the likelihood of Filipino Gen Z consumers deciding to buy a product after being exposed to TikTok ads. Moderating variables, demographic of brand familiarities, factors, knowledge like gender, income, and locator prior knowledge. The brand may strengthen or weaken the effect of TikTok brands, ads, and purchasing. Supporting literature. Studies shown that TikTok short form ads strongly influence the purchasing intent of Filipino Gen Z consumers. Disolongo et al. 2004 found that TikTokers and an e-commerce platform drive millennials and Gen Z to consider purchase through engaging and literature content. Del Rosario et al. 2022 highlight that TikTok videos had shaped behavior using entertainment and readability, which increased their likelihood to buy. Similar reason at Tyson et al. 2025 confirmed that short-form ads effect boost both purchase intention and actual purchasing behavior among Filipino Gen Zs, especially which ads are creative, authentic, and relevant.
I am Ken M. Lucino. Summary: TikTok short form ads significant affect purchase intent of Filipino Gen Z consumer by capturing attention through entertaining creativity and emotionally appearing content. When ads feel authentic and relatable, especially to influencer Gen Z, more likely to trust and engage with them. Their impact is often immediately and short-term, driving quick action such as product searches or impulse purchase. Through the overall effectiveness still depends on ad quality, product relevance, and creator credibility.